In this video, you'll learn how to transfer cryptocurrency from Binance to your Ledger Nano device. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to securely move your digital assets, ensuring they are safely stored in your hardware wallet. Begin by launching the Ledger Live application on your computer or mobile device. Connect your Ledger Nano securely to the device and ensure it is unlocked. Once you are in Ledger Live, navigate to the account associated with the cryptocurrency you wish to receive. Look for the Receive option on the main interface and click on it. Your Ledger device will display an address, which you must verify on the device screen. It is crucial to confirm that the network matches the asset you intend to transfer from Binance. Once verified, carefully copy the receiving address, as you will need it for the next steps. Next, open your Binance account and go to the Wallet section located in the top menu. From there, select Withdraw to initiate the transfer process. In the Withdrawal interface, you will need to select the specific cryptocurrency you are transferring. After selecting the cryptocurrency, paste the Ledger receive address that you copied earlier into the designated field. Ensure that the address is accurate to avoid any loss of funds. Select the correct blockchain network that corresponds to your cryptocurrency. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and review the associated fees before proceeding. Confirm that all details are correct, as this will ensure the successful transfer of funds to your Ledger device. Once you have submitted the withdrawal request, it is important to track the transaction to ensure everything proceeds smoothly. You can use a blockchain explorer to monitor the status of your transfer. Depending on the network congestion, wait for the required number of confirmations to complete the transaction. This could take a few minutes, so be patient during this process. After sufficient confirmations, open Ledger Live again to check if your balance has been updated with the newly transferred funds. As a final step, make sure to save the transaction hash for your records. This hash is a unique identifier for your transaction and can be useful for future reference. Always keep your Ledger device secure and avoid moving funds frequently unless necessary. This practice enhances the security of your cryptocurrency holdings and minimizes the risk of potential loss. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.